Welcome to the Loner Ranger Radio Show. My name is Bruce Woodburn. Yes, I am the Loner Ranger. You can check me out here on this station on Sundays. Yes, we're here on Sundays. What a beautiful Sunday. Or you can check me out on Saturdays on Cleve Loveland and the Loner Ranger Radio Show as well. What a great opportunity for you to know what's going on in the real estate market right now. And my job is to show you how to save money, get the best possible mortgage when you're out looking to buy a home, and save money on a refinance. Here's the thing about the refinance transaction market, though. As you know, we have seen record low interest rates for the last year. I mean, like crazy low. And the reason they're low is because the federal government was buying mortgage-backed securities. Well, guess what? They have started to cut back on buying mortgage-backed securities. And if you were listening to the news at all this week, and I'm not talking about the Biden-Putin thing, I'm talking about the news on the Fed announcing the inflation and that they're going to be raising interest rates. Well, what do you think happened on Wednesday? The bond market dropped by 75 basis points. Well, maybe you're like, well, I don't care about the bond market. What's the bond market have to do with me? Mortgage-backed securities are directly tied to the bond market. They're treasury securities. They're bonds. So when the bond market falls, interest rates go up. And let's just put this in perspective, you guys. So every 100 basis points that the bond market drops, rates go up 1 point on the discount point. Let's put that in perspective again. Whatever loan was at 0 points, if it went down 100 basis points, you now pay 1 full point. That's the way that works. So on Wednesday, we lost 79 basis points on the bond market. Now, Thursday, a little bit better, okay? Thursday was a little bit better. We got a little bit of our gains back in here, and I keep an eye on that. We ended up about 19 basis points. So out of the 75 basis points we lost, we got almost 20 basis points back. So rates went up about a half a point to the discount point. Now, this is not a fearmonger show. This is a reality radio show, meaning that I'm always going to be honest about the good things and the not so good things. I don't like the direction that rates are going in, but I'm certainly not surprised. And I don't assume you are either. And if you'd like to call in the show, you have any questions for me, Bruce Woodburn, the Loner Ranger. I've been in the mortgage business for 32 years. Been hosting radio shows for over 20 years. Call me. My direct number is 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. Or you can apply online or go to my website. I got all kinds of resources there for you. Just go to WeBringYouHome.com. That's WeBringYouHome.com. Now, I still think interest rates are incredibly low. But for all of you that were looking at hitting those 30-year fixed rates in the twos, that's probably in your rear view mirror right now, unless you're buying a lot of points down and have unbelievable credit. Now, I know that some of my competitors might tell you that they can. Don't be fooled by it. Don't be fooled by all these people. Now, I'm going to tell you why. You may not know me any more than you know them, but here's what you can do. You cannot get to the head honcho at any other mortgage company that I know of. You can call me, Bruce Woodburn, the Loner Ranger, at 407-706-3313. Now, I don't tell you that to brag or impress you. I tell you that to impress upon you. I've been in this same market for 32 years. Same location at 2729 West Fairbanks Avenue for over 20 years. Okay? You can come to my office. You can meet with me. I do personal appointments. Okay? Now, here's why I tell you that. I want you to know that you've got a trusted advisor in the mortgage business that can help you out when you need that help. And I want to be here for you. I'm the Loner Ranger, one of the top producers not only in Central Florida, but nationally. My production is high because my service level is high, and I'm a direct lender, which offers you the best possible interest rate. But I'm sensitive to first-time home buyers. Love helping young people. I'm sensitive to the interest rates on your high credit score borrowers. Very sensitive. I wouldn't expect that you would use me if I wasn't competitive on my interest rates. I guarantee you I'm going to be competitive, or I would not do the production that I do. So I'm here to offer you an amazing interest rate and great service. Most of the time, you don't get both of those with many companies. If you want the really great rate, you're not going to get great service. I expect that you're going to get both with me. 407-706-3313. I am the Loan Arranger. I'm here to help you with your purchase transaction. I'm here to help your friends and family. And I'm also here to help you if you want to refinance and save money. So we're just going to cover a couple of things that you should be aware of if you have not already refinanced. Now, I know many of you already have, and you probably got great rates right now. But as they tend to go up, it becomes less of a need for you to refinance. So you may have forgotten. Maybe you haven't, maybe you have, maybe you're too busy. We get it. My team's here to accommodate your busy schedule. That's the first thing. We're here to answer phone calls and return phone calls. That's another thing. Here's the people that I discourage from refinancing. And when I say discourage, all you got to do is call my office. If I don't think refinancing is the right thing for you to do, you will not get a sales pitch on refinancing, period. That sets me apart from my competitors, because if they can just lower your rate, they're going to try to convince you to refinance. It's not the right thing to do. First of all, if you're going from a 30-year to a 30-year and you're not pulling money out, called a cash out refinance, you're doing a rate and term refinance, just refinancing the balance, maybe financing some closing costs, but that's it. If I can't have you break even in 36 months, I'll tell you don't do it. Don't do it. It's not worth it. And that happens about 50% of the time. Now, if you're planning on pulling money out or converting from a 30-year to a 15-year, which I highly advise you do, then that formula doesn't work. Then what we do is we use a different formula. Let's just say that right now you're paying $1,500 a month for a mortgage payment, and you have $1,500 in car payments, credit cards, miscellaneous bills. Okay, so $3,000 a month in debts. If I can pull out enough money to wipe out the debt for the $1,500 in consumer debt, and your payment went from $1,500 a month on your mortgage to $1,600, then I have a $1,400 net gain for you. So I take that $1,400, and you can either save the $1,400 a month, or I show you how to apply that to the mortgage. Now you have no debt, and your house is paid off in, say, 8 years. Now, how would you like to have a house that's paid off in 8, 10 years, 12 years? In every one of you need individual attention, somebody to look carefully at your numbers and guide you in the right direction. That's what we do here. Why would you refinance? Removing private mortgage insurance. Come on, your house went up. Anybody that bought a house within the last 12 months or longer has made so much money. You probably made as much money on equity as you made in earnings with your employer. In some people, more. Like my son bought a house for $245,000. His house went up $60,000 in 1 year. Well, he doesn't make $60,000 a year. So he made more in his equity than he did in his salary. Now, some people may think that that's going to crash. Maybe we're heading into a boom, and that things are going to go south on us, or that prices are going to go down and they should wait. When we get back from the next segment, from our break, we're going to cover whether we are going to experience a crash in the market, and what are the indicators, and how we can avoid it and take advantage of a market like we're in right now. I'm the Loan Arranger. Go to WeBringYouHome.com or call me at 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. We'll be back in about 5 minutes with more of the Loan Arranger Show, talking about the boom.